Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the vast expanse of space and exploration. As we gaze up at the starry night sky, we're reminded of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our planet. Virgin Galactic, founded by Richard Branson, has been at the forefront of commercial spaceflight, and their latest development is a testament to human ingenuity. They are getting ready to debut their new spaceship, and they need your help in choosing its name. The company has narrowed down the options to 4: Horizon, Explorer, Ascend, and Apiron. Each name represents a unique aspect of space travel, from the curvature of our planet to the infinite possibilities that await us in the cosmos. As we consider these names, let's take a step back and appreciate the significance of this moment. We're not just talking about a new spaceship, we're talking about a new era in space exploration. An era where private companies like Virgin Galactic are leading the charge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. The names that have been chosen are not just random words, they're carefully selected to reflect the values and aspirations of Virgin Galactic. Horizon represents the blue curve of our planet against the blackness of space, a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our world. Explorer embodies the human spirit of discovery, the drive to explore and push beyond the unknown. Ascend symbolizes the power of rocket propulsion, the ignition that lifts us off the ground and into the great unknown. And Apiron, an ancient Greek word meaning infinite, represents the boundless possibilities that await us in space. So, which name do you think fits this new spaceship best? You can cast your vote on Virgin Galactic's website and be a part of history in the making. This is not just about choosing a name. It's about being part of a community that's passionate about space exploration. A community that's driven by curiosity, innovation, and a desire to push beyond the boundaries of what's possible. As we look to the future, we're reminded that space travel is not just about technology. It's about people. It's about inspiration. And it's about the boundless possibilities that await us in the cosmos. And with companies like Virgin Galactic leading the charge, we can't help but feel excited about what's to come. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we explore the wonders of the universe and the human experience. You might have heard of stories about fairy-like little people from various cultures around the world. But what you might not know is that scientists have now linked 2 of these folk legends to a single species of psychoactive mushroom. Researchers at the University of Utah have made a groundbreaking discovery by sequencing DNA from the mushroom species Lanmao asiatica, found in both southwest China and a remote region of the Philippines. This fungus induces hallucinations that can manifest dozens or even hundreds of tiny people, often described as little elves or clowns, dressed in colorful clothes. What's remarkable is that these hallucinations are not just random fantasies, but seem to interact with the physical world using the laws of physics that govern us. The study's co-author, Carl Starman, a doctoral student specializing in mycology, traveled to China and the Philippines to collect mushroom specimens and found that about 90% of people who consume this mushroom reported seeing these little people, often in incredible detail. They're not just floating in midair, they're falling off tables, walking around objects, and even jumping off spoons into bowls of soup. But here's the intriguing part. Despite the vivid nature of these hallucinations, the researchers couldn't find any of the usual suspects among known psychedelic compounds in this mushroom. The actual mechanism behind this fungus's fairy tale trips remains an ongoing biochemical mystery. Starman and his team identified 17 species within the Lanmao genus, including 4 potentially new species, but only L. asiatica is psychoactive. This discovery has significant implications for our understanding of the human brain and its ability to create complex, realistic hallucinations. It also raises questions about the evolution of this trait and whether related species produce similar compounds. As we continue to explore the frontiers of neuroscience and biochemistry, we may uncover more secrets about the intricate relationships between our minds, brains, and the natural world. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space exploration and scientific discovery, I would like to take you to the forefront of innovation in rocket technology. Imagine a world where rockets can be reused entirely, much like an airplane, significantly reducing the cost and increasing the frequency of space travel. This vision is not just a distant dream, but a tangible goal that companies like Stoke Space Technologies Incorporated are tirelessly working towards. Stoke Space, founded by former engineers from Blue Origin, has been making strides in developing its flagship Nova rocket. Designed to be fully reusable, the implications of such technology are profound, potentially revolutionizing the space industry by making access to space more affordable and sustainable. This is a step beyond what we see with partial reusability, like that of SpaceX's Falcon 9, where only parts of the rocket are recovered. The pursuit of full reusability is not just about engineering prowess. It's also about economic viability. Stoke Space is aiming high, not just in terms of technology, but also in terms of investment, looking to raise $1 billion at a valuation of around $9 billion. This significant financial push underscores the confidence investors have in the potential of space technology to transform our future. As we explore the details of Stoke Space's ambitions, it's intriguing to note their approach to overcoming one of the most challenging aspects of reusability, the heat shield. By developing a new type of heat shield that utilizes liquid cooling, Stoke Space aims to protect its Nova rocket from the intense heat generated during re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. This innovative solution could be a game-changer, enabling quick turnaround times between flights and making space travel more routine. The race for full reusability is not just about competition among companies, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's thought possible. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our innate desire to explore and understand the cosmos. As we watch these developments unfold, we're reminded that the future of space travel is not just about reaching new heights, but also about doing so in a way that's sustainable for generations to come. As we conclude today's Star Chat, I want to leave you with a sense of awe and anticipation for what the future holds. The advancements in rocket technology are a reminder that we're living in an era where science fiction is rapidly becoming science fact. So let's embrace this journey of discovery, support innovation, and continue to explore the vast expanse of our universe. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.